How to access and use ChatGPT plugins. Hello everyone, I'm Sabine from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. Now, plugins is the feature used by ChatGPT in order to introduce new tools and capabilities for the AI. So the plugins make your work really compatible and convenient, and you get like a wide range of information that the normal ChatGPT cannot access. So in order to set the plugins, first of all, what you need to do is confirm that you have the plus version of ChatGPT. It's not available in the normal version. So make sure that you have the plus version of ChatGPT, and in order to access the plugins, for now you can see that ChatGPT 3.5 does not have the feature. So go to GPT-4 and right here. But so where's the plugins version right now, right? So you don't have the plugins version for now. So in order to set that up, you can just go to the three dots icon right here as shown in this screen, click on it, and then go to settings. Now go to beta features, the second option, and make sure that your plugins option is toggled on. Make sure that you turn this on, and then you'll find an arrow icon right here. If you click on it, then here you see default or plugins beta, right? So just click on plugin section right here, and here no plugins are enabled. So in order to enable the plugins, you just click on this option right here, click on it, go to plugin store, and then here are like lots of plugins. There are like 8 different pages of plugins you can use, and I think that most popular page is where you should start with, right? So here are all of the plugins that will help you out in ChatGPT, and it's really advanced. So in order to install some of these. Let me install these two. These two plugins are enabled, so you can see the Kayak and the Wolfram, the plugins that I just installed. So as far as we know, ChatGPT won't be able to access the recent information, but using the plugins it can. So let me just show you the demo. So right here it has used the Wolfram plugin in order to give us the information about the weather in Kathmandu. So it's really handy and it's really convenient, it's really advanced, and it helps you out in many ways. So let me give another example as well. So in this prompt right here, it uses the Kayak plugin, and then it finds you flights that are available from Chicago to LA. So here are all the information about the price, recommended flights, and here it even gives you the link of the website in order for you to book the flights. So it's really easy, and that's how you access and use plugins in ChatGPT. Hopefully I was able to help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.